coming to America for college. He's going to Rutgers University.
What? Yo, my son got in there too.
Wow, really great news, man. Wow, they can both hang out and chill together and study all the time. He's coming tomorrow to New Brunswick train station.
Yo, you're the Popo?
Yes, man. I'm the Popo Clown. You Nick?
Yeah, dog, what's good? Welcome to Rutgers, bro, in America, baby.
Thanks, man. This is a great university, yaar. Oh God, check out that luggage on that one,
Bro, you can't be like that in front of Johns, man. You gotta be smooth.
Smooth? I will show you smooth now. Watch.
कभी कभी आंचल में छुप जाए हाय हाय मेरी नजर से तुम देखो तो यार नजर वो आए भोली सी सूरत आंखों में मस्ती दूर करे शर्माए हाय हाय
Yo, that was dope, dog. I didn't think you could move like that.
Come on, man. I have the Poppet-like moves, you know.
Alright, shut up. Let's go back to our spot. We gotta deck that out.
Oh my God, that one ladki over there. I think I'm loving her. Nicholas, that was her, dude. What do you think I do?
You already showed them how smooth you are, bro. You just gotta ask her out.
Yes, I will do the asking now. Oh, baby, you're spicier than my tandoori chicken.
Like, what does that even mean? I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, yeah, same to same. I was just doing the jokings, eh? By the way, my name is Popat Lao. What is your name?
My name is Aishwarya.
Would you like to come over this weekend? We can watch the latest films and share the masala popcorn, eh?
Oh, no, I have to go to the mandir and, like, pray with my family.
Oh, my God. She's like the perfect Sapnu Ki Rani I can bring home to my mother.